What's up, family? We still right there at that 10,000, that 5K. We hit 5 figures in this portfolio, family. Just think about that. Think about that. You start off with 3 figures, then you go to 4, then you go to 5, then you go to 6, right? So keep that in mind. Now let's look at it, man. This is why I be telling y'all to invest in this stuff. You know what I'm saying? When it be down and all of that. Now we still down a little bit in XRP, but understand we got 1,200 coins, right? And each one of them worth $2.24 a piece, right? So every penny is like $12, up or down. So it can get lengthy real quick if it go one way. You know what I mean, family? That's why I tell y'all, go get 1,000 of them real quick, because I understand that if it hit $1 from that 30 cents, that now you got $1,000, family. And I know that it moved the needle in your life. I'm just saying. Let's see. Let's look at it. Bitcoin at 97,000, right? Now we've been accumulating Bitcoin. I showed y'all the first 90 days. Them first 90 days we committed, and now look where we at, family. Go back to January. Them first 90 days. This is where this come from, family. We up 20%. $219. That's somebody's bill somewhere from that they can pay with some gains. You know what I'm saying? Money that you made. You know what I'm saying? Solana. We just bought this one, so we up a couple dollars. You know, we looking for that to push to, what's this number up here? Y'all see that? 295. I'm looking for that to push up to 295, 260-ish. I'm cool. 275-ish. I'm cool. Family, I'll take that. You know what I'm saying? Let's go look at XLM. XLM, we up 10% on XLM. This is one we was just holding. We just had in the sack, you know, on the ledger. You know what I'm saying? Just chilling. But we dispersed all those little coins we was buying as a family. And, you know, the family all the way up, family. I'm just so proud of my family, you know. For starters, for sticking it out with me and believing in me for 4-5 years. You know, I was telling them to invest into a coin, and they didn't understand, but every day I was trying to make them understand. And now they really understand, like, damn, Tim, we up a couple $1,000%. Thank you, you know. And that's all it is for me. I'm glad you listened. You know, I'm glad you was in it with me. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful thing. This ARB, we waiting on it to make a move. We ain't 66 cents. I ain't worried about that. But think about it. This goes to $1. I got $218 now. If it go to $2, I got $400. You know, this is a good trade for me. That's why I tell you, go get 1,000 or so, and then if it go to that dollar real quick, because just a year ago, look at where it was at. It's at $1.19, $1.24 push, and you know what I'm saying. Them tops, it like to get to $1.27 over here back in 24. Right? And here in, what was it, December of 24, it was up 124, right? And it likes to drop right here to this area. Got a lot of support right here. Y'all see that? 45, 50 cents. So if this thing can get up above 50 cents, so while it's below 50 cents, we need to be buying this, because when it shoot above 50 cents, it's going to double. Y'all clearly can see that. You know what I'm saying? The range. Look at the peaks. And then look at the troughs. Peak to trough means, peak means from up here, the high. If you go up there, you see open, and then you see high, right? And then you go over here, you see the high, you see open, you see high, and then you see low on the right side. It says close, and then it says low, right? And then you go down here, and you see the same difference. You see low, 45 cents, low, 42 cents. So if we can get above that level, then this thing can really take off, family. I'm just putting y'all in the game, trying to get y'all mind right every day. I hope y'all listening to the daily lessons and taking it all in and really understanding that this is coming from what I've learned, family. I'm just giving it to y'all, you know, because I love y'all that much. And I just like doing this too. You know, I love to run these accounts up and make money and show people that they can do it too. Right now, this Misty, this is paying us a dividend every month, and we only down 8%, right? $391. Let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all something why that doesn't worry me at all. Let me show y'all some history. Let's go look. Now, let's go look at the dividends. Dividend, $213 on the 11th. Let's go look at another dividend. I like to show y'all this. $179. That's $400 some right there, family. Let's go look at another dividend. Let's see. Dividend, $242 that this stock is paying every month, family. Y'all see that? Let's go look at another dividend. $252, right? Let's go look at another dividend, family. Let's go look at $308, right? Now y'all count that up. This stock is down. If y'all been telling y'all, doing what I tell y'all to do, I've been buying it longer than a lot of people. But if you just started buying this stock when I told you to, under $18, $20, hey, you in the game. It's at $24, right? So now you got equity, and it's gonna pay you that dividend, like I want everybody to get. You feel what I'm saying, family? So I just show y'all these things so y'all can be keeping things in mind. SMH, right? I told y'all to buy this. 180, 183 is that range, right? It's gonna always be a range. 180, 183. If it come up under that, we got to kill it. You know, we up 15% on this, and this is an ETF. You feel what I'm saying, family? That's why I tell y'all to buy this stuff. Nvidia, my baby. We up 19% on it. 20% on this thing, family. 20% on Nvidia. You feel what I'm saying? Imagine you got money just sitting in the bank, $400, and you could have been up 20% on them things. You know what I'm saying? You could have been up 15%. Look, 15%, family. You could have been up. Now you would have been down on Misty, but Misty been paying you out, so you straight on it. You like, shit, Misty been paying like a mug, so you straight. You feel me? Excuse my language, y'all. Amazon, right? I told y'all under 170, that's when we got to go. It's in 170 to 175 is a range, right? You would have been up 10, 11% on your money. Now, where are you doing that in life? Family, getting 10, 20, 15, multiple returns. These are multiple income streams. Family, understand that. All of these things are multiple income streams that I'm putting my money into where it's working for me. Now, it goes up and down, but when it comes down, I got to buy some more. Y'all got to understand that. So when it comes to those levels and those ranges, you know, that's when we got to buy. And it's going to always be a range. I try to give y'all price points so y'all can get some good prices. But it's always going to be a range. On like Amazon, it's going to be from 170, or it's going to be like from 165 to 175. That's the range, right, to start buying that thing. And if it get back to 165, kill it. You feel me? And then Nvidia is going to be like 105-ish to 8 to 90-ish, 90 to 105. Hey, that's the range to start buying it. And if it come up under 90, you got to kill it. You got to kill it, family, right? SMH. If I told y'all under 183, 180, you know, if it come under that range, you got to kill it, because this thing wants to go back to $250, $75. Understand that, family. And Misty, you just got to put that money back in and believe that one day this thing going to pay me thousands, tens of thousands, and probably hundreds of thousands of dollars, you know, and just be in it to win it. You know what I'm saying? But y'all stay on me. Stay blessed. Peace.